like to create a new layer, so right click and here click a new window, rename your window or your layer. It's named WTG layer, and I would like to add my turbines here under this layer. So I have already found this wind turbine WTG using this database. So I have found this wind farm, windPRO wind farm located at State Thuringia. And you see the different nominal power of these wind turbines, as well as the rotor diameter and the hub height of this wind turbine. I have also, for each wind turbine, assigned a specific code number that you can find out this wind turbine from this website. This is the website from government of Germany, so Bundesnetzagentur, named Markenstamm-Datenregister. So if you copy this code here, you can find out the different technical specification of this wind farm and also this wind turbine. For example, this is the coordinates and the location of this wind turbine. It means if you have this code, this unique code, you can enter here Markenstamm-Datenregister.de. So this is the public website that all operator of wind farm, they have to enter the specification, the coordinate, and the technical specification of all wind turbines here. So it's mandatory to enter all technical specification of all wind turbines here by the operators and the developers. So I have found here the operator name using this website. So you see this operator has at the moment 3 annual wind turbines, and the next operator has 7 wind turbines. So using this process, I could have found all coordinates and also the nominal power and the technical specification of this wind farm for windPRO wind farm as our case study. So this website is so helpful to find out the technical specification of all wind turbines. So obviously across the Germany, the database is also available just for the operating wind turbines in Germany, and also the wind turbine which is under construction. It means although the wind turbine has not been operated, but still you can access the coordinates and the technical specification. And in windPRO directly, we have an option, go to geodata and click hover on WTG tab. Here you can access directly this database inside windPRO software, click German public wind turbine register. And this is import data from EMD server, click next. And depending to your site center, we can find out all operating wind turbines in radius 15 kilometer. You can change this setting, it's up to you. So you see 73 WTG imported. It means from this red cursor in radius 15 kilometer, we have found 73 wind turbines. So right click here, so you can create short distance circle in radius 15 kilometer, line width 3. I just wanted to show you the setting of this calculation. You see this radius is 15 kilometer and it's 100% adopted and matched based on our previous setting. It means we have found all wind turbines in radius 15 kilometer from this red cursor, and all wind turbines also stored under WTG layer. So as mentioned before, all wind turbines, all wind park developer, they have to enter the technical specification of the wind turbines like coordinates, wind turbines, fleet, and all essential data here. But here, for this case study, I would like to delete all wind turbines except our current case study Wipperdorf. So you can click on one specific wind turbine and delete it, or you can create a polygon nearby the wind farm to select all wind turbines and then delete all of them. You see, I can create a polygon around this wind farm and then all wind turbines selected, then click delete. Okay, this is our wind farm for our case study, Wipperdu wind farm. As mentioned before, I have 10 operating wind turbines, but it seems we have more than 10 wind turbines. I can tell you for that because we have the neighboring wind park is under construction, and that is why we have imported both. But now I would like to assign the right wind turbines type. Sometimes there is an error and we have to check it out whether it's right implemented or not. So go to the last tab, name description. You can find out the detail of this wind turbine. You see now the wind turbine 2.4 megawatt and it's Vestas. It's in Nordics, but software specified Vestas. I have to change it from Vestas to Nordics company because the real operating wind turbine here is Nordics and 117, the nominal power 2.4 megawatt. So you can create on WTG Explorer and then select your desired wind turbine. The hub height for this wind turbine is 140.6 meter. There we go. You can click edit to find the technical specification of this wind turbine in more details. Go to this tab, details, click power curve and select the normal operational mode level 0 for this wind turbine to see the power curve. You see the cut-in 3 meter per second and manufacturer Nordex. This power curve created early 2011 and we have 3 columns power, coefficient of power. If you click graph, you can see the power curve, the red curve, and the green curve goes to efficiency or coefficient of power. Click cancel, back to the setting, click OK. So now I have changed the wind turbines type, which is correct. The next one, right click on this wind turbine, go to properties. You can access the wind turbine setting. You see for this wind turbine, everything applied correctly and right, no, without problem. So it's adopted and matched based on the last description. Hub height also correct. Okay, once by once I have checked it out. These wind turbines also I know. Right click, go to properties. So this is nothing applied here. Once again, go to the last tab, description. You see this is different. It's Nordex 149 and nominal power 4.5 megawatt. Now right click and here click more WTGs. If you click more WTGs, you can go to the WTG Explorer and select the Nordex 149. Hub height for this wind turbine is 164. So having said all information I have got from this reference website, which is available for all persons. These 3 wind turbines also is Eno from Eno company, nominal power 4 megawatt, hub height 137. So go to WTG and then correct the right wind turbines type. There we go. But now I have selected these three wind turbines simultaneously because sometimes you can select, for example, three objects and then apply the same setting for all wind turbines. So I have selected these three wind turbines and then assign NO 100, hub height 137 for all for three wind turbines. At the end, you have to click apply setting to all wind turbines, and then close. There we go. Now the right wind turbines type implemented for all 10 operating wind turbines. This windPRO wind farm, which consists of 10 operating wind turbines. So, but I would like to create a new folder to manage better all layers. I have created a new folder named WTG, and then I have created also a new layer named WTG. You see we have another window, object list window. Under object list window, you can find out all objects, different data like coordinates, elevation, type of all objects. So this I have changed layer name to WTG commissioned 10 wind turbines. Now I can select these 10 operating wind turbines. Before that, I have created a new layer, right click WTG in planning. The second layer goes to wind turbines, which is under construction. So now I have created all wind turbines which are under construction. 7 wind turbines. Click on all objects and then drag them under this. Click move objects to this layer. Now these objects assigned to this layer. See, if you turn off this layer, all corresponding object disappeared. Okay, now I have two layers. First layer goes to wind turbines, which is commissioned, and the second layer assigned to objects which are wind turbines which are under construction. Okay, there we go. So you see now I have selected all wind turbines which are under construction because wind turbines type not assigned. Go to the main tab, click find Nordex, click Nordex 163, this fleet, and select the correct up height for this wind turbine, 164 meter. The nominal power for this wind turbine is 6.8 megawatt, and the right power curve for this wind turbine, because all wind turbines here has the same wind turbines type, click apply. You can also go to position and change the wind turbine, the symbol color to distinguish those wind turbines which is under construction and wind turbines which are operated. Okay, so the red wind turbines are under construction planning and the blue wind turbines are already commissioned and under operation. Okay.